My friends, I believe that the best is yet to come.
It's been the kind of year I'd be fine if I forgot you. But I'll never forget it as long as I live, and that's saying a lot. The wildest menagerie of unfortunate, crazy things, and now it's all over. To come.
Where it began, I can't begin to knowing, but then I know it's growing strong. Wasn't the spring, and spring became the summer. Who'd have believed you'd come along?
Wish you good health, no? So si Mami Sing, wala pong maintenance to. Dalawa lang po ang maintenance niya. Isa po weekly bingo at saka monthly casino. Yan lang i-maintain mo. Nakareseta po sa doktor yan.
Touching you, sweet Caroline. Good times never seem so good. I've been inclined to believe there never was, but
Ako po talagang very blessed. Ako bilang anak, katuwang ko siya yung naglingkod po ako sa inyo. Katuwang siya buong termino ko po. Andito siya sa simbahan. Kung ayaw niya sa politika, ayaw talaga niya. Gusto niya dito lang. Ito ang pangalawang tahanan niya po, ang Santo Rosario Parish Church.
burden runs off my shoulders. How can I hurt?
Umulan, umaraw, at lumindol pa kanina, pero nandyan pa rin kayo. Sobrang pinahappy nyo siya. Kami rin, punong-puno kami ng pasasalamat at in-offer nyo talaga tong gabing ito para sa kanya at para sa amin.
Very happy for you and what you have been doing to this community. Thank you, Tita Rose. Sana lumabot pa kayo ng 100 years.
Maraming salamat po dahil nandyan po talaga kayo to support, and thank you very much for the love dahil siguro naman hindi kayo naririto ngayon kung hindi kayo naniniwala at nagmamahal sa amin. So maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat.